That's tough. And there could be more. What? Like, bro, the only way I'm beating it in 50 shock attempts is if I magically get good at TMN. Or some shit. That's the only way. But I doubt that's gonna happen.
I'm going from 0 on future.
The perfect present doesn't always come wrapped under the tree. Treat your loved ones to an unforgettable afternoon or evening of music and laughter with the Utah Symphony at Abravanel Hall.
They're
With
copying
tickets to our
us.
holiday programs
We're
this
playing
December,
Slay
you're
Ride.
not just giving a gift. You're sharing a heartfelt experience that will create cherished memories.
Maybe someday I'll visit
Show them
Utah
you
Symphony,
care
although
with
I'm
the
just
gift
really
of music
lazy.
this season. Visit usuo.org/holiday to get your tickets.
At Lumber Liquidators, we have the best prices on flooring, and we guarantee it. Find a lower price, we will beat it with our best price guarantee. See us advertising a lower price than you paid, we will refund the difference. You'll never pay more than you should at Lumber Liquidators, and you'll get the best warranty in the business. Yellow and Black is back, and so are the deals. We are flooring experts that will help you get the right floor at the right price for any room in your home. LumberLiquidators.com. Tell them Tom sent you.
So poop. What exactly is the theme of Zodiac? I don't know, I just got it.
It's glow themed.
I think this stream is gonna beat it, yeah man. Let me get almost world record fluke real quick. Let's go. Let's fluke the level. Do I have replay buffer? Yeah, I do. That's good.
What's replay buffer?
It's like the clipping system of OBS.
Oh.
Yeah. Gawaza production.
Oh, let's go.
I died to free. Man, I wasted a minute of my life dying there.
Oh, 22. Hold it. Wait, Chop, when you got 55, did you do the 1, 2, 3, 4 scrap?
Yeah.
That's cool.
But the thing is, I died instantly because I got a bad launch.
Yeah. It's fine.
It's fine, water mindset. I'm probably always like a frame too late there.
Holy aggro.
Bro. I'm just wasting time, bro.
Holy freaking crap.
Will you beat the golden? Probably not, because it doesn't look very appealing to me.
That's
I
a
might in
goated
the
song.
future, but not as, like, not anytime soon.
Why did it turn back to white? I guess the hour change. I don't know.
Bro!
Bro! What did I do? Phew.
2, 3, 4. 56 by a pixel.
No.
Oh my god, look how close. Ah, okay, it's fine. It's fine,
That's
it's
tough
fine.
though.
That's fair
Fine.
death though. Yo, I got the TMN 2 times today.
Nice. Second team, man.
Oh, bro, so close, so.
Nah, it's not a new best, but almost it's a second best. That was a good attempt though. I think for every 10 shock attempts I get 1 TMN attempt. So that means if I get 200 shock attempts, that means I will get 20 TMN attempts before I beat him.
Okay, bro. Wait until this guy finds out about consistent.
What the fuck?
What?
I keep dying to this stupid mini shit.
Oh, that's bad.
I lost my fucking straight fly capabilities, man.
Wait, that means 20 TMN attempts. Is that still too long? Let's say I pass TMN once every 10 TMN attempts. That means 2 failure attempts. Okay. Nah. Bro.
That's not how
Yo,
it works.
nah.
We're gonna get more consistent.
I'll
I
upload.
died 36 times.
Ah! Fix the box. I
Yes,
got jump
so
scared
guys,
by
I'm gonna
Zorn.
beat Andromeda in 250,000.
Wait, let's go, let's go.
Bro!
Let's go.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. What am I saying? Yes, man,
86.
Andromeda 250,000 attempts, 6 months.
36 and 35. Oh,
6 months until April, man.
wait, 2k attempts.
Oh, 23.
What?
Oh, yeah, I did it.
Yeah, I only have 1.6k attempts on Slaughterhouse. Is that good?
I beat the
Yeah.
hardest flow level.
Who thinks he
Bro,
saw
you the
that?
Miaura strat times 5.
No, he used the sawback strat.
So divided by 1,000.